Hi students, in today's section we discuss about AND gate. In the previous section we discussed about OR gate. Now OR gate, a logic gate which performs logical addition is there, but AND gate, it performs logical multiplication. Okay, it performs logical multiplication. Okay, so whatever may be the inputs you may give to the AND gate, now the AND gate performs logical multiplication and gives one output. Okay, inputs you may take more number but you get only one output. Understand? Let us see the symbol for AND gate. First of all, two input AND gate. So here inputs are how many? Two. So A and B are indicated by the inputs and output may written as Y, always Y. So Y is equal to A dot B. What is output? Output always A dot B. Dot indicates the multiplication. Okay, but you may spell as A and B. A and B. Now let us see for N input AND gate. Here A, B, C up to N all are indicates the inputs, but you get only one output, that Y is equal to A dot, B dot, C dot up to N. Understand? Now let us see about the truth table. What is truth table for the AND gate? In the previous section we discussed that about the truth table. Truth table is nothing but it always provides the output for all possible input combinations. Provides output for all possible input combinations. Okay, we have one formula for number of possibilities now. That formula is 2 power n. Okay, 2 power n indicates number of possible combinations. Here what is n? N is nothing but number of inputs. So for 2 input AND gate, n is equal to 2 now. If n is equal to 2, substitute, then 2 square, nothing but how many possible input combinations is available? 4. Okay, what are that? See, let us take A as 0, 0, 1, 1, B 0, 1, 0, 1. So how many combinations are available? Input combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Understand now? So what is the output? Output is general multiplication only. So 0 into 0, 0 na? 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So if you observe the truth table, you understand what is the logic behind the AND gate. See, if any input contains 0, output is 0 na? Any one input is 0, output is 0. So what is the logic function? If A or B is low, output is low. Low indicates 0 na? Otherwise another logic is there. If both inputs are 1, output is 1. Okay, if both inputs are if both inputs are high, output is high. Or any input is low, output is low. Any input is low, output low. Otherwise both inputs are high, then only output is high. That is the logic behind the AND gate. Understand? Now let us see the construction of AND gate by using the switches. Okay, so again I explain about only two input AND gate. So two inputs now. Here the inputs are named as A and B. So A and B are represented by two switches. This is one switch, it is another switch. Understand now? So these are connected to one cell whose EMF is V and one bulb. If bulb will glow indicates 1, If bulb will not glow, it indicates 0. Okay. Now, if the switch is open means switch is off. In off mode, it shows 0. If switch is closed means switch on position. Okay. If when switch is on position, it shows 1. Understand? Now, let us see all 4 possibilities. What is the first possibility? A is 0, B is 0. A is 0, B is 0 means A 0, B 0. 0 means what we said? Switch is half. So, this is half mode, this is also half mode. Is the circuit completed? No, because here circuit is open now, so circuit will not completed. So bulb is will not glow. When our bulb is will not glow, it shows 0. So input A is 0, B is 0 means both switches are in half mode. Then bulb is will not glow, shows 0. Understand? Now the second case, A is 0, B is 1. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Means A is half mode but B is closed. B closed but A is open. Either circuit is completed? No again, because A is open now. Circuit is now open circuit. In open circuit, current will not flow. Whenever current is not flowing through the circuit, bulb does not show any reading. So bulb will not glow, that indicates 0. So A is 0, B is 1, bulb again will not glow, shows 0. Clear? Now the third one, A is 1, B is 0. A is 1, B is 0. What is the meaning of A is 1? Switch is closed. So switch closed. B is 0. So again circuit is open circuit. Bulb will not glow. Bulb will not glow means output is 0. Understand? Let us see the fourth one. A is 1, B is 1. So if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then both switches now closed. A closed, B closed. Now both switches are now closed. Whenever both switches are closed, now circuit is completed. When the circuit is completed, bulb will glow. Bulb will glow means Y is equal to 1 here. Understand? So by using the switches, we can get the AND gate or not. See, A is 0, B is 0, Y is 0. A is 0, B is 1, Y is 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, Y is 0. Finally, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1. Understand? So if you remember this switch mode, both switches are in series combination, then you get the AND gate. Do you understand? So in a circuit, if it is open circuit, there is no flow of current. If it is a closed circuit, current will flow through the circuit. Then bulb will be glow. If bulb will be glow, it shows 1. If bulb will not glow, it shows 0. Do you understand? Please note it down. Now, let us see the construction of AND gate by using diodes. Okay. So, for this, we can take this is the circuit model. Here Vs indicates source voltage. Vs indicates source voltage and we consider one resistor. It contains two diodes D1 and D2. Okay. And output will be taken across this point. Understand now? And we know when diodes are in forward bias, it will conducts current through it. Okay, what is meant by forward bias? Forward bias means this p side and n side na for diode, anode and cathode. P is always maintained at higher potential and n side is always maintained at lower potential, then only we can say diode is in forward bias na. So this side higher potential and this side you should maintain lower potential, then only current will be conducted through the diode, otherwise current will not conduct. Understand? So in this explanation towards the voltages, that's why if 0 volt is there, the binary operation is 0, and if 5 volt is there, the binary operation is called as 1. 0 volt you get output, binary operation is 0. If you get output as 5 volts, then binary operation means 1. Understand? Let us see now. First of all, A is given 0, B is given 0. That indicates A is maintained at 0 volt. 0 volt means grounded. Okay, if you grounded this one, B also grounded. Okay, grounded means potential is 0 now. Here it is 5 volts. So P is at higher potential. Okay, and N is at lower potential. It is at higher potential, lower potential. So diode D1 is in forward bias. D1 forward bias means it will conduct. So it will conduct. What about for B? B is also grounded because 0 volt. If it is 0 volt, it is at higher potential. So D2 also in forward bias, it will conduct. Okay, so A is connected to grounded, B is connected to grounded. Understand now? So what is the first case? A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 means both are grounded. Now let us see the output. Output is directly connected to the earthing. Output directly connected to the earthing means earth voltage is 0 now. Okay, so it shows 0. Understand? So A is 0, B is 0 means we can get output also 0. Clear? Now the second one, if A is at 0 volt, B is at 5 volt. A is at 0 volt, B is at 5 volts. What is the meaning? A 0 volt means binary operation is 0, B 5 volts means binary operation is 1. Okay, if it is 0 volt, P is always at higher potential, N is now at lower potential na? So it is higher potential, lower potential. So A is in forward bias. A is in forward bias. So let us see. The diode D1, whenever it is in forward bias, it will conduct. So it is earth. What about the B? See here, it is higher potential and here 5 volt. Here applied voltage is 5 volt and here also 5 volt. That indicates that D2 is not in forward bias. When D2 is not in forward bias, it will not conduct. Okay, B does not conduct the current through it. Now see, the output is directly connected to the grounded now. Output now directly connected to the grounded. That indicates output is 0. Is it clear? Now let us see the third one. Third one is A is at 0, B is at 1. A 0 means maintained at, A is 1, B is 0. If A is 1 means here it is 5 volt, B 0 means it is at 0 volt. Okay, please concentrate properly now. So when A is at 5 volt, here higher potential or higher potential, A will not conduct. Okay, through D1, current will not conduct. Now B maintained at 0 volt. B maintained at 0 volt means it is grounded now. It is higher potential, lower potential. D2 now in forward bias. Forward bias means it will be conduct. Okay, see output directly connected to the grounded. That means output again 0. Clear? Now the last case. A is 5 volt, B also 5 volt. That means A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. It's very important. Listen carefully. So it is 5 volt, it is also higher potential. D1 will not conduct the current. It is 5 volt, it is also higher potential. So it is also will not conduct the current. Whenever A and B will not conduct the current, then output is directly shows the reading of Vs. What is Vs value given? Plus 5 volt. So now the output is directly shows what is the reading of Vs that will be shows. So Y is now 5 volt. Why 5 volt means the binary operation is 1. So if A is 1, B is 1, you can get output as 1. Understand? This is about the construction of AND gate by using the diodes. Clear?